Hey, hi everyone. Today I will tell you how to proceed into Java developer as a Java developer. What are the things you can learn as a Java developer? So, if you are going into Java developer, there is Java. You have to learn for the Java, Spring Boot, and microservices. So, if you are learning in Java, then there in Java there are so many things are there, like first of all you have to learn what is JVM basically, what are in memory, how JVM works internally, like class loaders are there. In class loader you have extension class loader, application class loader, bootstrap class loader. So in a particular class, how it loads its classes, variables, methods and everything. So you have to learn how internally it works in Java first, in JDK. If you are writing a code, how the things it is loading internally the things. After that, you have to learn about the constructors, inheritance, oops concepts, exception handling, collections, all those Java concepts. And then in interview, if you are preparing for basically for the interviews, then you have to prepare for streams. Mostly nowadays they are asking in streams, Java 1.8 features, Java 17 features, Java 21 features, what is the update one, Java 23 features, everything they will ask. After that you have to go into the Spring Boot application. Nowadays people are working even on Quarkus in some companies. So you should know about the Quarkus also. If why we should go with the Quarkus, normally because of good performance and all, we should go with the Quarkus one in spite of Spring Boot application. Okay, in Spring Boot application, after learning all these things in Java, you can go to the Spring Boot application. In Spring Boot application internally how it works, for example you are writing an application, if we are using Spring MVC, internally how it works, you should learn first MVC, like application context, how it is initializing, using at the rate Spring Boot application annotation. It consists of different annotations like component scan, enable auto configuration, and all those things you have to learn. What are the annotations, why we are using at the rate component, why at the rate service annotation is there, why at the rate auto wired annotation is there. So all those things you should learn. After annotations, completion of annotations, they will ask you cross questions. Can we make all the classes as at the rate component? If we will do that, what will happen? So you should learn these things. And then at the transactional and all, if and also they will ask, if we have multiple DB, can we use multiple DB and all, you should check that one. And then you can like check for SQLs, how you need to use joins and all. MongoDB they can ask. Then they can ask security thing, JWT, can we use JWT plus OAuth? If yes, how and why, for what purpose? One is we are using for, basically both we can use. We are using this for authorization and authentication, for two things. And then we can after JWT we can check for the Kafka. If Kafka we are using, why in Kafka there are, like topic is there, broker is there. In topic we can use multiple partitions are there. Then consumer group is there. So these are all the things. If we have if we are going with that, in what cases we can go with the RabbitMQ, and in what cases we can go with the Kafka, we should learn that also. Then in Kafka, we have, they can ask you choreography pattern, saga pattern, when we should go with these design patterns, CQRS pattern, all those things you should learn it. Okay. And then after this, microservice, how we need to change from monolithic to microservice application. So this all the questions you should learn. And if you want, I will tell you one by one topic. Theoretically I will explain everything. Let me know if you want to learn, then I will explain one by one topic. Thanks for listening and checking my video. Please subscribe and like it. Thank you.